Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome on today's videos. Are very special, and right now it's early in the morning. We thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, thank you so much for clicking my videos. And in case you're new here, please subscribe, comment, share, like, and also don't skip ads. That's the best way you can support my channel. So on today's videos are very special, and I just wake up from my room. Nobody's around at home. Probably my mama, she went to people's land, work there, and get some little cash so she can sustain in terms of small shopping, basic need, maybe buying sardines, buying maybe tomatoes here and there. And also, I'm alone at home here, and I want to, to run my activities. So first, I want to check whether my solar is charging, and actually it's doing very well. You can see on the other side, so it's charging. Let me climb here. So it has an input, it's 10.3. Output, it doesn't show because the sun is almost out and the battery is around 10.1 voltage. You can see there. So this is some installation of my solar, and also here we have the Wi-Fi right here. And on this side here, I was charging my phone. I need it to reach 30%. Now it's 27%. That's my profile, guys. Maybe you wonder who is this person on her profile. That is me, and it's around 9. Oh my god, it's around 9:22 a.m. very early in the morning. And also the other side of my house, I wish one day I would have my 4-bedroom, and I'll give you a quick tour, but this house is too small for now. This is where my life starts, and at least I have place where I'm calling home. East west, home is the best. And also I'm trying to make it to put my mom in a good environment, and for her, she can feel comfortably. Maybe one day when I'm going outside there, she will feel much comfortable. Not like, oh, like when, for example, you're traveling outside of the world, you try to make your own life. At home here, when you left your brother and sister, and also your parent, and by the way, I'm just living with only single parent, that's my mom. So she'll try to strengthen my mom, like, hey, your son is going all over the world, and you are staying in a bushy, in a crazy house. That one I'm trying to sort it out by building mama a dream house. And also, remember very well, now I'm on the process of buying some trees, splitting timbers. And actually today I'm going to do some other things here and there. So probably yesterday night I asked my mama, which food stuff did you miss in your house? So she told me I will buy soap, sugar, and also cooking oil. And then the rest of the money, I'll buy some trees on other side. There's one tree that I told you I want to buy that tree and split timbers. So if mom, you're watching these videos, thank you so much, and my God bless you abundantly. This is your boy from East Africa, Kenya. I'm trying to represent my Jamaican family to the world. I love Jamaica, and 100% most of my audience came from Jamaica. Sometimes you find my Jamaican family stay in UK, US, where other places, Texas, Thailand, Australia, They're really supporting me. And also not only my Jamaican family, also other people from maybe Spain, US. Thank you so much, and my God bless you. So yeah, I want to take you outside and see how things go. My door right now, it's have already broken, you can see. So there's some termites, some insect eat this frame, and then my door goes down. But that's the part of my life. So I hope you're ready. I'm taking you outside. Even my baby's just right there. So yeah, being alone one of these day, like, it's not a big issues. I understand our background, our family background, and basically we need to go out to see something. At least we put on the table. And also, when my mama, she will be around here, I think in the evening time. That's the end of my videos. I'll surprise her with that small shopping. And also, even imagine yesterday I left my gloves here. But anyway, sometimes I'm so crazy. So this is the house that I'm building for my mama. And I told you, when I'm going to travel, it doesn't give me some headache. Oh, my mama, she was living in a Mabati house and on this house, So you see how God changed my life. Now I'm building this structure that you see here. So I think after doing a little bit shopping for my mom, I'll go and check my engineer, because I'm really scared about this place. It stopped me to move to other steps. So here and there, actually remaining with some front porch and back porch. And the back porch of the kitchen is too small. It's only 2 pillars. Here, I think that porch, it reach here. This one is the bigger porch right here. So maybe one day I could demolish this house. I push them to other side. Here could be an empty space. You can chill, enjoying the vibe from the sun on this side. And anyway, so far so good. Now we have around 2,000, I think. Yeah, 2,100 feet. 100 feet in my store. So I'm remaining with around 2,800, and probably this week or next week I should split again 500 feet. I keep it. I'm trust my process. Every day I come with a new thing, so I just trust my process, and one day this house will be finished up. Also, you see we have the machine cut here. This one will run maybe a half of the house outside, or maybe we try to see whether it can run outside only one line, and then it need 3 courses. So sometime from now I want to start saving little. If I get $10 until when it reach $500, I can buy completely machine cut 1 row, because this house on top, no partition. Not like down here there's some partition of the door, window, dining area, so this one left. But on upper side it need 500 machine cut, because we're going 3 courses, because I want to build a standard house. Not when you enter inside you touch the ceiling board. I want to build a standard house. Yeah. So for my new subscriber, welcome to my home. Feel free, ask me anything. And I guess there's some blocks inside here. When my mama was putting some maize here, or maybe they put aside, I don't know. And also this is the firewood right here for my mom. Imagine, when I bought some trees, we split timbers, we're remaining with firewood, Also, we remain with off cuts. I think this is the firewood here, and we put off cuts on this side. So one day I'll build maybe a kitchen coop. I told you earlier. So sometimes I store things here and there. So this some off cuts right here, and also this some silver for the rental, you know, because we have the back porch rental and front porch rental, you know. Yeah, look. I can't wait, man, to see this house complete, you know. But one day, guys, underline that word, one day, you know. So it's been long without surprising my mama, but actually on today these videos is to surprise my mom, you know. So look, we have a nice and clean pillar. I love it, man. Actually Muito did the best. You see, very straight, very concrete cement. You can see, yeah, things are shining here. So we're remaining with this and that. Today I'm going to push my engineer. I'm going to look him manually, no phone call. Yeah, so we have already done with this part, on also with this part. I'm telling you, man, let me go on top before I left home. At least now I have some hopes, like, man. You see, guys, while I'm on top here, look, that's my mama master bedroom, the entire corner to that corner, you know. Look, so that's the house, that's how the house looks like, you know. And also, if you remember very well, you know, like my mouth, like the words that come through my mouth, it's building my nation. So I told you guys, I would buy that trees, and the time have already reached. I want to buy that trees because they're closer to my home, and then I'll split timbers. So probably I think I'll go and talk with the owner. She's a lady. We signed a deal. I gave her the money, so I left with the guy of the power. So you will see that trees. I'm not sure if maybe she have already sold that trees, but she was pushing my mama like, hey, tell your son I'm selling that trees to give the money. And sometimes you are too broke when people came, and you know, they think like you have money. Imagine, man. Also have some timbers here. Like, we're really struggling in this life to make things happen, you know. Oh my God. Okay, let's go. Let me take you outside, guys, even to see how things go. Chogoro. Wow. This Mabati house is leaking. The entire house, even this, it's leaking. But my mama, she has understand the situation. So let me greet my birds as we move around. And I told you guys earlier, life without money, we can't move, you know. Another way, without money, life can't move, you know. You can sleep hungry. Also, other things can't move. So at least if you have a little bit, some of cash in your pocket, you can balance your life. So good morning, my birds. I love these birds, man. I don't know, even you from a distance, you love it. And I have one of my mom, I think 2 of them. They really love some noise from this side of the birds here. And it's so cute. It has some beautiful, you know, colors of the feathers. Yep. Because I'm leaving home and nobody's here, I want to check where mama tied the cow, whether it's okay, and then I go and make the shopping, guys, in Border Town with you. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Even you see this land, people have already rented here and plow. Yesterday the tractor was here. You see, big changes. Hey. Wow, we love it, man. We love it for sure. Subscribe, support the boy from Florida, Miami. Miami, Florida. That is it. I love Florida, but my dream country is to visit Jamaica, and then from there next is to maybe one day to go to Miami, Florida. That is it. And keep supporting me by watching. One day we shall meet on one table making stories. So I'm heading this way. Oh, there's some hen. Let's go. Whew. Yeah, even I have no idea when Mama she was tightening the cow, but I'm just guess on this side here because I see my grandma cows. Yep. And you see the way my mama she was working hard, man. Even you feel like I want to support this a widow woman from Africa. Sorry guys to use that widow. I know other people are widows, you know, but you really in touch to support me. Yeah, I see some cows here. That's my great grandma. You know, there's somebody taking control there. Wow. Good morning. Good morning. Oh my God, look at that. You know, a cow are not aggressive. You know, you can touch it the way you feel like you want to touch the horns, head, eyes. Wow. We have another one here, but this one came most aggressive one. If you want the cow didn't knock you, if the cow are aggressive, you want to do like this. Like means to be calm and humble, like cool down. Look at this. I love it, man. You see the way it's behaving, look. Yeah. And also this is my project, maybe anytime, not from now, one day, because we have, you know, this is the full of, you know, soil that I will push from other side. We bring it here. I'll make some bricks one day. We have another one right here. Hey, you don't want me to touch you? Okay. So this is my grandma cows, and I see other baby calf right here. Good morning. Okay, that is it. Right guys, so now I think before I left home everything have been fixed very well, and my son here, trees are growing. It's look like a bush area, imagine. So these things maybe came with it from the river. I never knew, man. Look, now it's a green bush area. Even if you remember very well, at my friend's land, we have those trees growing so big. And probably this is my grandma at the back. So yesterday, the tractor was plowing on the other side, and I need to remove out my stones from there. And I told you, I think my latest videos, I told you I supposed to remove it. I don't want problem with the owner of the land, you know. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And my hair is growing so big, man, like quick and fast. If I like it to be cut, to be short, I will cut it, but they still grow. So you see, I'm planning to remove these stones from here to other side, and probably you can see when the tractor is plowing right there, it's reach there and jump this side here. Also you can see from this side within here, you see here, it's jump for entire this place because of these stones. But I'm planning to take them to other side, you know. So also I'm coming to check these trees. I will ask the owner if she was already selling these trees, it's all good. But if she didn't sell it, I'll sign a deal. See guys, it's so big, man. Look at that. Wow. Okay. Yeah, it's so big, even you can't, you know, like touch the whole trees. Look. Yeah. This one to give us around 350 feet to 400 there. But I asked the guy of the power saw. So guys, stay tuned. We shall meet in Border Town while I'm making some shopping for my mom. And also mom, the rest of the money I'll buy these trees. It also need money, and also I'll pay the guy of the power saw so it can push me on other side, you know. Thank you so much, my good people who support me in financially way. Oh my god, I step on the nail and I'm trying to walk like I'm bouncing. And also here it needs some perimeter wall one day, you know. So me, like, I'm trying to supervise my home. You see here, my friend, inside of this iron sheet, not outside, inside, it need the tall wall, and also here. But in front of our gate, I will build a shorter wall. But the outside, the water running up the toilet, it could be more taller. But inside, you will see one of these days, you will see when things get right and happen, you will see my idea, you know. Wow. So guys, we shall meet on the next videos in Border Town. Stay tuned. So guys, I'm on this place. I'm in Border Town at the same time. I'm heading this way. So this is where I normally do my bike for the service. But today I didn't have my own bike. Maybe by tomorrow. Yeah. That's my friend here. Let's video. Okay, let's go, man. Pole. Thank you.
Recording Anguish.
What's happening?
Here. Another friend is here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right, guys.
Okay.
And here they are selling veggies.
Yeah.
We call them Mama Mboga.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Border Town for you.
Yeah, why is it riding?
Border Town for you. Guys, Sibania police station right here within this place. Oh my god. So I just pull up in Border Town and I meet one of my friends here. At the same time I'm going to make shopping for my mama. Serious shopping. Tenda nyumbani man, si ndio? Yeah, we go home with man. Yep. How about man? Right, let's go. And in our village, in East Africa, Kenya, especially in border town, motorbike are so many. Look at that. I wish I could come with my mama for the shopping, but she was not around at home. Man, it's crazy. What a time for you. What a time for you. Yeah. On a serious note. On a serious note, man. Wow. Okay. That's a school bus. Oh. This is a school bus right here. Oh my God. On a serious note, I'm telling you. Magu dukarni. Nehi tu kya konda ka kwanza mbele hayo. Tonda ke turinge. Okay. Konda kipige turinge yanko di shopping kidogo. This what a time for you. Oh my God. Guys, I wish I could come with my mama, but she went for the blue collar job, you know. So it is what it is. Let me do it by myself. We normally buy mattress here.
Amefunga yupo.
Why?
Ni hapa tu nyinyi mnaniacha.
Ama unajua Mtanzania ni to Hamisi.
Wapi?
Huko Masafa.
Hayupo, nimeona pale hayupo. Tuko na
be careful.
How is where Diram?
Yeah?
How is this
What's that?
Format telling me?
Okay. Right. So carefully, mano.
You know what Nichanganya. Oh, ni
Slowly. Wow. Guys, this is border town for you. On a serious note, people are moving up and down. What I get them up. I normally buy the fish right here. Hey, whoa. Okay. How we do curry? Here. Okay. I'm gonna get your mangin on a bench here. No, my man. Ma KCP hai. Sa seek it. I seek the toma. Masenga or I seek it. Yeah, I found it. Here on this shop, I want to buy 10 kg cooking oil. Hakuna ufuta. Hey. So I think that is okay. At least we'll push my mama. So aya, sabuni metena that. I need msafi 1 kg. Guys, that's cooking oil right there. That's kilo Third. My friend. Okay. This one. Third. Ngamba myself. And also the rest of the money, I think yesterday, oh no, tomorrow, not yesterday, I'll split some timbers. Sichire 5 votes. That's 280. I got discount it. Then collect 32.
50 plus 160 by 3. 23. Later 32.
8.
50.
Tengo coisa ali tu tá discount me customer. Okay, let's see. This is a calculator here. The money will be around 3,280. Okay, I'll give them I think they'll bring change. This is what I bought for my mom. Soap right here. She also have another soap, but I'm trying. It's additional of the soap, cooking oil. Manu, twende hadi pop. And I hope Mama should already come from the work. We have bread here. Hey. Guys, this is some 10 kg also here. Twende man. It's time to go back. So what should I do? My driver diverts me. Life in Boda town. Okay, that is it. That's how I roll my videos. Day by day, day by day. Give you some mere. Ano, ataho. Won te mere galing guchere kurani. Ayuko. Rose.
Yo no, para como mono.
Our deal failed. Okay. Yeah. So guys, I'm heading home. Okay. Pole. Goodbye, man. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, I'm beating. Tapo. Coaches right there. Ato mo sa ono na lagi ang tao na ako na at least ata. Kaka muturinge mu.
Ai, bravo.
Oro ntane hano ndaba kitumbene kibisemura. Ah.
Bravo.
Yeah. Okay guys, now I'm heading home. Look at that, right there. Right. And actually, that's how things it is. Whoa! It's complicated. Also, I've already, my mechanic remained in Border Town. I got one of my friends also here. He was a mechanic and say hello. Crazy. But it is what it is. Let's move, let's focus. Border Town, look at that. Oh. I'm driving exclusively. This side, I've been called Hispania Center. As you can see right here, that's a church, Roman Catholic Church. Come on. Alright. Oh man. Wow. I see traffic here. Okay. I'm heading on this side here. I left the tarmac road. We're heading this way. Actually guys, we shall meet home. Stay tuned. Guys, we just back home. And I feel like I wanna take this jacket out, What are you tomorrow? Okay, we're back home, and I think at this point, oh man, we'll be there. Okay. So anyway, guys, welcome home. And I think right now everybody's home, including my mama and my sister. Umetoka kazi? I see my mama, she was from work, even she wants to sweep the kitchen. Say hello. Come this side. Say wagwan.
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 See wagwan here. Wagwan.
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 Guys, we have the problem of assets of ports. Wagwan, ma'am.
Wagwan.
People from Jamaica, this could be a tricky situation for my mama to say wagwan. Sister, come here. You say hello. You're from school. Say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I'm fine.
Say wagwan.
Wagwan.
Angalia camera. Say wagwan.
Wagwan.
Guys, I'm sounding wagwan. Mom.
Wagwan.
Sister.
Wagwan.
Wagwan. But I know I don't charge anybody here. Sometimes it's good when my mama say wagwan, like hello from Africa. So today mama is a special day for you. Na jana usiku nilikuuliza nini kimemisi, si ndio? Kaniambia. So guys, I asked my mama yesterday night, what have you missing in your house in terms of food? She told me cooking oil, and I bought for her 4 bar of soap and also 3 kg of sugar. And ule mti vipi umeuza ama vipi? Okay, I'm asking mama, what about that trees? Because I need the rest of the money. I'll buy the trees and split timbers, Okay mama, kuja chukua hizi vitu nipelekee ndani hapo. Hizi funga hii mafuta mratambara makutaka. This is one of my friends that I came with him from Border Town. Yafunge tu. Aya, welcome. That's sister for you. Bado. Kama ndek doctor rete kan. Doctor gama tintengan yo gama. Na mama ika mochabi. Mochabi. Okay mama, ndo hii. Twende fungulie ndani. Chukua tu box, I will help you to carry this. Mara twende. Beba hii twende wewe. Okay. Oh my god. Yeah, welcome home guys. This is where I'm belong to. And this I'm calling home. Oh man. This is crazy. So guys, I don't want to fake things. You see me in Border Town buying cooking oil. Mraika kuja inside umbita break. Buying cooking oil, buying soap, sugar, and then you didn't see at the end of the videos. So this is where I'm calling home, and that's my mama. Okay, mama fungua. Just open. Siogope. I'm telling mama to unbox and see everything. And also the cooking oil was being silk. Aye. Okay, man. Okay. You can put it down here. So guys, that's 1 kg of sugar. 2 kg. 4 kg. 3 kg. Aye. And also soap. Wake up. Okay. Tarusamo. Okay, this bar of soap, 1 kg. I think I bought 3. 2. You see? 3. And also guys, cooking oil. Right here. 10 liter. You see? By yourself. So guys, nothing to be fake. And that's the reality. Alright? Okay. Is Manuel here?
Yes.
Christopher. Just see the barbecue. Oya vipi?
Shwari.
Shwari mwana.
Mama Kasisi TV.
Kasisi TV hapa kanamulika kidogo. I'm telling you, just we are hungry. Unauzaje kaka?
Wewe mheshimiwa?
Hii yote hivi 150. Banta
Toka mwana tuchague nyama. Hii
nyama hii hapa ipo. Hii imeshaoza.
ndio mkono sawa. Weka hii hapa. Hii Nyongo shilingi 300 pamoja na yeye.
300 pamoja na
Ega nini?
sasa basi hakuna kale ka kuonja bana.
kakonja kapo.
Nyongo shilingi ngapi?
Guys, I'm telling you.
Hapo inakuwa 450.
Msongeza moja.
Naka
Hizi imeenda.
Sindola kadogo. Nisikie vile kaka. Ndio mara ya kwanza kuja huko mwana.
Nataka nizipeleke nyama. Hizi zimeshaoza.
Moja hapo tu.
Niweke.
We marinate.
Shilingi ngapi hapo?
We kuchoma.
Wewe 600.
Mume, chirije mimi esta.
Sema yasta ya nyoko.
Rama, sasa mimi to gogo dina chino yuko na diru bukima.
Hata mwana.
Baba yani. Adinu bukima eno.
Hicho 500 mwana.
Ndio sana. Ndio tenu bukima sasa hivi.
Kimane sodo ga mbere. Habari ga. Ugari naso.
Yata guri chinyanya.
Chakua nyanya. Ana ugari na soda si ndio? Chemu ndera ngokoro mangana.
Yangu bali.
Na wa James.
Tikanyo.
Iya.
Munyo peto tunyo to mangwa. Itunguli kiniki.
Toma, alizi nyanya.
Mume na utono mume.
Okay guys, we're in Border Town. And I left my bike on the other side, right there. A serious barbecue. Yeah. Kwisha wewe, Kasisi TV. Sasa mara zingine zinakuwa mbichi. Hii inarudi kwa mbichi.
Hiyo sio yeye.
Ama zitaingia kwa tumbo. Magwan man.
Tenguro kwa basungu, mwandu sema.
Good. This meat here, brown ugari.
Njoo. Ndio hata soda kubwa zile ina.
Na ndio koku zote. We. Usilete koku zote. Nilete mimi Fanta. Nataka koku nikaa kunini?
Cook?
Koku.
Mama senga unalika ko?
Koku. Black currant.
James, kama ni mveni
Guys, we're enjoying here.
Look mwenye kazi.
Mwali miguu. Cho mwali miguu.
Na mtezi kama mwalimu
the sun go down and it's evening time. Probably it's drizzling at this side here, as you can see. Look, it's drizzling, man. You can see. So that's the reason why I covered my hair. And also I see my mom on this side. I'm telling Mama she was a serious hard-working woman. You know. Oh my God. Hey, Mochokoro. Unasfagia. That's my mama. Sleeping. You know. So wow. Even man, the birds are you know, it's around 18:11. That's 6:11 p.m. And actually I think from this side, when I'm ending my videos, I'm going to check the lady or the owner of that trees. Probably maybe by tomorrow I should pay the money and split at the same time. That's how things go. Oh man, I love to climb on my mom's house. I don't know why, man. I don't know, but maybe that one it's by tomorrow. And the whole day I look for my engineer. I didn't see him where he was working initially. Maybe sometime, you know, you will maybe charge people's, and you know, other people have some own problem. Damn. So this is the boundary right here, and these people's land. Also the way have been plowed, you can see from here to there, and then it's running that way. But the road will pass here, will maybe take a little bit this side and also the side left. If you wish, like, you wanna be my immediate neighbor, that's my home. You'll be here, you'll be enjoying the sound from the birds. So me, I'm working slowly, and things will work out by itself. You know, I'm admire that trees, guys. Whew, it's raining. Okay, that's trees. That one, I don't know. Even me, I'm 50-50. But I think because it's getting late, I wanna end my videos and then rush to that lady's home just over there. And also this one, I need to slash it. I don't want maybe this place look like a bush area. I don't. It's like, look at that. You see that? Look. That's the support that you show me toward my videos, and also you support me in financially way. Me, I just, you know, when I get money, I spend on that construction. And that one, I decide better I sleep hungry or better I remain broke, like totally with nothing, and I push my mom's house. So yeah, that is it. So guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate. And in case you're new here, enough love. Subscribe to my channel also, comment, like, and also leave a sweet comment on the comment section below. So maybe in the morning you see me with a different shirt, but I wear that shirt in the morning. And one time you see me wearing a different jacket, and now is another jacket. Yeah, that's how things go. So guys, I love you from my bottom of my heart. Let's see you on tomorrow's videos. Ciao guys.